T7 is a UGV, or an unmanned ground vehicle, also known as a robot. We use it in our trade to deal with IEDs. If we can do everything remotely through the robot, such as shooting devices or opening up objects, it saves us having to get someone in a bomb suit to go down and do it manually, and allows us to keep operators safe. T7 is quite a mobile tracked system. It can go through anything from grass, mud, concrete, through buildings. It can go upstairs, and if you start getting to steep terrains, you can do counterweight with the arm or manipulator. It's a large frame. It can do a lot of tasks such as lifting heavy objects, opening all sorts of doors or gaining entry to buildings, and anything to do with cars. So an example of a car task is a vehicle-borne IED. That's where the car is the container for the bomb, and that's when we'd use the T7 to do a lot of gaining access to the car, disrupting any targets we see in there, and cutting any wires if we need to. We use our disruptors by placing them against the target. High-powered water pressure cannons. They fire water at a high power. The water can't be compressed, therefore it acts as almost a slug, and it will rip the circuitry or electronics of an IED apart, ideally before it can function. One of its standout features is the haptic controller, which is the pistol grip style controller, and it allows full dexterity of movements with the manipulator. It allows us to do a lot more finer motor skills. We can open up zips on bags, grab a key and put it in a door lock and unlock the door. They can also open the car doors. Some guys can grab a scalpel and start cutting shapes and writing names on paper. So the Harris, it's a good bit of kit. It can do all the tasks that we require it to. For us, no two tasks are the same, so having that flexibility in what it can do makes it easier for us and safer.